it is solar that is the largest market, and we expect it to continue to be so. Here we're looking at annual capacity additions by energy source. We kind of zoom in on solar on the right-hand side. And 2025 will be a record year for renewable capacity growth, with above 600 gigawatt in AC terms, combined for both solar and wind. And on the solar side, we're looking at near 500 gigawatt in DC terms, no, in AC terms, so nearly 600 gigawatt in DC terms to be added this year, mostly in Asia Pacific, but also record kind of additions are continuing in both EMEA and Americas. And in terms of sectoral breakdown, here is around 60% utility scale, and then 25% commercial and industrial, and around 15% the remaining for residential.
Visit Sinovoltaics.com and rystadenergy.com to learn more.